Hello guys, welcome back to your English class. Today I'm going to explain you the activities from the unit 23 from your book 2. Okay, let's just start. We have unit 23, it's student exchange program, and it says objectives, use the future abilities or future obligations. Now, exercise 23.1, read the following article and answer the questions below. Now we have, this is maybe the chance that we have to we have to write the article, and then when we finish to read them, we have to complete the questions that we have below. Okay, now I'm going to start again with the reading. It says, this may be the chance that you were looking for. A student exchange program is a program where students from a high school or university study abroad at one partner institutions. For 30 years, Education Foundation has been working with more than 90 institutions in over 50 countries, cooperating to provide access to international education for diverse student population. If you want to continue your preparation in a foreign institution, we are the ones you will have to contact in our specialized programs, like arts, language, business, design, to satisfy the needs of each student. You will be able to see new places, meet interesting people, and of course, get a degree in a major of your choice. We offer different programs, summer courses and winter courses, a 6 course and a full year course in America and Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia. We provide all the options for accommodation. Will not to have to worry about this, and the student will be able to choose from the ones we have. Study is not the only activity you will be able to do, because we offer full program with activities for leisure time, and the activities will be related to your career that you are studying. So wait no more and give us a call. Visit us in our website and prepare yourself to travel beyond your limits. Okay, now we have the article, and at the end we have 6 sentences, 6 questions about it. The idea is you have to answer them in the right way. For example, the first one, it says, what is an exchange program? Number 2, what programs does the Education Foundation have? How many years of experience do they have? 4, where will you be able to study? 5, what are the options for accommodations? And what special programs does Education Foundation have? Okay, and you have to check the article. Now, the next activity, exercise 23.2, write 6 requisites you need to travel abroad. Follow the example. Okay, we have, for example, I will have to get a passport. Okay, the idea is you have to write 6 things that you have to do if you want to travel abroad. Okay, now, don't forget that we're talking about obligations for future or abilities in the future. For example, she will have to study harder, and next time she will have to pay for her phone bill. Or abilities, Tony will be able to play the piano and will be able to speak English. In a negative way, you have to say Tony will not be able to come to the trip, or Bucky will not have to pay for his ticket. Okay, now, and the last activity, you have exercise 23.6, unscramble these words and form full sentences. The idea is you know it, you have to order them, move them, and write the correct sentences. Some of them are future obligations and some of them are future abilities. Okay, please read them carefully and then write them on the lines. There are 5 sentences. And what about your workbook? In your workbook, you have exercise 23.1. It says, write complete sentences using the clues and the words in the brackets. Now, the idea is you have to move them and write, for example, many, the subject, the complement, his appointment, and the verb cancel. Many will have to cancel his appointment. In this case, it's a obligation. Now you have 11 sentences on this part, and you have to decide, is it an obligation in the future or an ability in the future? For example, the first one, she an amazing soccer player if she trains. She will be able an amazing soccer player if she trains. Or number two, I the phone bill or they will cancel it. I will have to pay the phone bill or they will cancel it. Okay? And you have to complete the rest. You have to read the whole idea and guess what would be the right word. Is it will have to, obligation, or will be able to, an ability? Okay? And the last activity, exercise 23.4. Rearrange the word to write appropriate sentence. Now you have 8 sentences and you have to move them in order, and you have to get sentences in the right way. Some of them are positive, some of them are negative, and you have to be careful because some of them are obligations and some of them are abilities in the future. And that's all. Don't forget that you don't need to add or you can delete a word. Okay, you just have to use the words that you are given. Okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you're okay, guys. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.